Wall Street's main indexes ended lower on Monday as investors anxiously await inflation data this week to assess the outlook for interest rates and US-China trade developments. Investors expect the recent shakeup at the US Federal Reserve and signs of labor market weakness could nudge the central bank into adopting a dovish monetary policy stance later this year, fueling much of the optimism. July's consumer inflation report is due on Tuesday, and investors anticipate that the Fed will lower borrowing costs by about 60 basis points by December, according to data compiled by LSEG.
Stocks are down today. There's still a little bit of uncertainty around the macro backdrop, right? Tariffs, you had kind of some headlines about whether gold would be under tariffs. You had some mixed news around semiconductors and the new, pretty unusual kind of collaboration, if you want to call it that, between AMD and NVIDIA and the US government. So I think markets, again, sitting right near all-time highs, sentiment has caught up to price. So there's a higher bar to clear, and I think some of these headlines are enough to give the market pause this morning to start the week. So on earnings, it's been pretty unequivocally a great earnings season, beating at a high rate, negative pre-announcements, actually better than average. You know, the one thing that I would note is the companies that missed on the top and bottom line have been really, really punished